Well, happy near summer day. Happy sprummer. We got a chicken, and he's really large. I never seen a chicken out of the coop in person before, and I probably shouldn't be outside right now because I think it's walking right towards me. And no, it's just looking for the seeds I scattered down. I scattered more just to attract him so I could get more video. Dear. I hope it likes cardinal seeds. I guess it does. What sunflower, hazelnut? It's seed. It'll attract all chickens, I guess. Now I'm just gonna shut the lid so that way he doesn't try to. Oh crap! Rick, just do. Oh no, Swiper, no. Swiper, no. No, Swiper, no. Do not chase the chicken. No. And also, Swiper, get this. I'm recording this, so Mom knows what you're doing, okay? What? Chase. Dude. Okay. I'm gonna be heading inside now. It's good. It's after me. I'm just keeping away. I don't care where its beak is. I'm staying away. I'm coming in. I'm getting in. That was close. That was close. Where is it? Where the heck is Chicken Little? Ah! Oh God. Oh my God. It just went right next to the bit. Okay, I'm gonna be staying inside for a while just to make sure that the chicken disappears, okay? That's pretty much it for now. Until next time. And let's see Midnight's reaction to a chicken on our lawn. Hello. I'll just call you Spots, okay?
Swiper versus cat.
Chicken. Yeah, I'm recording this too.
Swiper said, look at you.
Yeah, I know. Well, Monochromatic cat, what are you gonna do? Since there's a parent.
Chicken, that's what I'm gonna do. My chicken. I want some eggs.
Stop.
Oh, shit, my net.
Wait, where? That's my bit. It's just pecking the ground because I laid down some seed earlier. I'm trying not to touch any dead flies. There's one right there. Mom, are you sure you should be getting near it? Well, I scattered some seed there just to feed it so I could get a closer shot. Probably because it's a domesticated animal. It'll follow you.
Chicken, you want to be our chicken? We need some eggs. We're always out.
And plus, we need more bird seed.
Oh shit.
Well, oh no.
Don't get brave just because I'm out here.
Uh-oh.
That chicken kick your ass. We got a chicken now.
Yeah, I know, right? This is gonna go viral on YouTube.
It better not, because I'm in that video.
I know. But the audience can hardly see you. Oh wait, if the camera just focuses, it doesn't focus on like the window lining here, and it can see you very clearly. Corn, yeah. Well, a little bit of seed, yeah. One trick question, two, yikes. One trick question, and two, yikes. He likes to see. Hurry up, run. Note to self, if I Note to self, do not feed stray chickens. And 1, do not feed chickens stray. Do not feed stray chickens. And 2, get more seed. Okay?
You're our chicken now. Stay chicken.
And also, I know like some of our neighbors that actually had chickens. Remember when we went through that walk in the forest?
Let's keep the net here and not at the frickin' pond. Because we always need nets.
To capture a chicken? Oh, jeez. I'm really staying inside for a bit. But still. Stay near the house in case if he charges at me.
He definitely likes the seed. He was coming at me. You saw that?
Okay.
He's like, ooh, seed lady.
Okay. 1, do not feed stray chickens. 2, get more seed. And also some more corn.
Yeah.
And I know. And do you know a place where they have seed?
Yes, sir. Is today Thursday yet?
Yes.
All right, good.
Wait a minute.
We back.
Yes, it is Thursday.
Yay.
You're getting paid, yo. You're getting paid. Swiper, you didn't believe me when you saw chicken. Oh, wait, you already saw it, right? You were like, what the freak is that? Oh, jeez, you might want to back up instead of go forward.
I'm not going forward. I'm changing my direction so I can...
Yeah, remember that joke about chickens crossing the road? Well, guess what? There's an actual one. To get to the other side. To get to a seed, yeah. And also to avoid a car. Just back away from the chicken with your car, okay? Hi, Gibson. Hello. Why is there a chicken? I don't know. It's a stray chicken. I know, right? Wait, it did some sort of leg move. Like, what's that mean? No. I'll stay out of this. Okay? I'm out. He just gets some more seed already so we can keep feeding him. Plus, it looks like chickens are always hungry, you know? Yeah, like bunnies. Oh, speaking of bunnies, it was right near the bunny area.
Maybe he wants to be part of our bunny enclosure.
Wonder what Midnight and the other bunnies think of this. Oh, I see him. Hey, Midnight. Did you hear that there's a chicken on our lawn? It's pretty crazy. Oh. And is it strange for me to say this, but I'm getting kind of scared that the chicken is really close to us now. Okay, I'm backing up. Backing up.
Slapper, go eat the chicken.
Nuh-uh. Please don't. Okay, I'm gonna be hanging out inside now. Please don't follow me, chicken. Please don't follow me. Follow me. Follow me. Where is he? Where'd he go? I found you. Alright guys, I think that's it for this video. I'm gonna be staying inside for a bit. Alright, so there's a chicken on our lawn. Swiper tried catching it, but then he realized, oh my god, that bird's a bit bigger than me. And Midnight and the others, they got a new bunny enclosure. And I just saw a hummingbird. But I don't know if I got it on video. Probably not. Not really, there's barely even clouds in the sky. Alright, as Eve Goes Boom always does his outros, please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Please subscribe to the channel, it really helps us out. And we'll see you guys next time. And also, if you're thinking about posting the chicken dance in the comments, please be my guest. Right, bye everyone.